morning, my dear students. Today we will take some word problems from the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables, that is from exercise 3.3 number 3, and it is for class 10. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So we have to assume that the numbers are x and y. It is given that the difference between two numbers is 26. So x minus y is equal to 26 and one number is 3 times the other. So we can take x equal to 3y. We have to take x as the greater number and y as the smaller. Let it be equation 1 and it is equation 2. Next, substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we will get x minus y equal to 26. It is equation 1. We have to substitute 3y in place of x. So it will be 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is 2y equal to 26. This implies that y equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So we got y equal to 13. So x can be equal to 3y. So x equal to 3 into 13. Putting the value of y in second equation. So 3 into 13 is 39. So the two numbers are 39 and 13. Second bit is, the larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Means the larger angle is 18 degree more than the smaller angle. Find them. And both the angles are supplementary. So let the smaller angle be x degree and the larger angle be y degree. The larger one is 18 degree more than the smaller. So we can write y equal to x plus 18. Let it be equation 1. And both the angles are supplementary. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This implies, let it be equation 2. We can substitute y equal to x plus 18 in equation 2. So substituting equation 1 in equation 2, we will get x is x. In place of y, we will write x plus 18 is equal to 180 is 180. This implies that x plus x is 2x and it will be 180 minus 18 will move to RHS and it will be negative. This implies that 2x is equal to 180 minus 18, it is 162. Or this implies that x equal to 162 by 2 is equal to 81 degree. So the smaller angle is 81 degree. Next, the larger angle y is equal to 81 plus 18 because it is x plus 18. X is equal to 81 plus 18. It will be 99 degree. So we can get the smaller angle is 81 degree and the larger is 99. Number 3, third bit is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. For this, we have to assume that let the price of one bat be x rupees and the cost of one ball be y rupees. It is given that she buys 7 bats. So price of one bat is x. So price of 7 bat will be 7x rupees. And price of 6 balls will be 6y rupees because price of one ball is y rupees. So price of 7 bat and 6 ball is given 3800. It will be our equation 1. Next, price of 3 bat, it will be 3x rupees and price of 5 balls it will be 5y rupees equal to 1750. We have to solve this also by the method of substitution. So in substitution we have to convert one variable in terms of the other. So we can write from equation 1. From equation 1 we can write 6y is equal to 3800 minus 7x, or y equal to 3800 minus 7x by 6. Let it be equation 3. Now substituting equation 3 in equation 2, we will get, in place of y we have to write, this much. So it will be 3x plus 5 into, in place of y it will be 3800 minus 7x by 6 is equal to 1750. Or this implies that we can take 6 as the LCM. So whole divided by 6. 6 into 3 is 18, x is x, plus 5 into 3800, it will be 19000 minus 5 into 7 will be 35. X is equal to 1750. 18x minus 35x, it will be 17x minus 17x plus 19000 is equal to 6 into this much. 6 into 0 will be 0. 6 into 5 30. 6 into 7 42 plus 3 will be 45. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Or this implies that minus 17x is equal to 10500 minus 19000. So this implies that minus 17x is equal to this minus this, and here will be a negative symbol. 19,000 minus 10,500, it will be 8,500, and symbol will be negative. So my dear students, please write this much. I have to move towards that side. So x will be minus 8500 by minus 17. It will be 500. Putting x equal to 500 in any of the three equations, that is equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. It will be easier to put in equation 3. So y equal to 3800 minus 7 into 500 divided by 6. It is 3800 minus 7 into 500 is 3500. 3500 by 6. 3800 minus 3500, it will be 300 by 6 is equal to 50. So we got the value x equal to 500 and y equal to 50. So the price of one bat is 500 rupees and price of one ball will be 50 rupees.